Hello, Ahmed and Jenna.
Hello,
Hello. Okay,
Mr.
Ahmed.
Question number
Yes. Yeah.
we had a problem with question number one.
In the homework,
Yeah,
we're gonna see about it when we start revising the homework. But I just have a request. Would you please join from separate accounts so that I can recognize who is talking to me? Okay. So don't join using one account for both of you.
okay.
Okay. So that when someone answers a question or wants to ask something, I can recognize who is asking me that question. Judy, you hear me? Judy? Judy, can you hear me? Judy, can you hear my voice now?
Yeah.
Okay, great. So that you all hear me, let's start revising our homework and let me explain to you how to answer the crossword exercise. Okay, so if we open the homework, the first exercise we see in front of us is the crossword or the puzzle. Okay, so it is not supposed to be difficult because all the questions are about words that you can find in the unit. Okay, they can be found in a reading text, in an exercise. Okay, so it is just about vocabulary in the unit. It's not about general knowledge. And when you do this exercise, you must understand the meaning of the main sentence correctly. Okay, guys? So this time I'm going to help you with the exercise, but next time I need you to try to study the vocabulary in the unit from the reading text and the exercise. Okay, so Judy,
Yeah.
yeah, did you answer exercise number 1 in the homework? Hmm?
I can hear you.
Did you answer exercise number 1 in the homework?
Okay.
So let's do the exercise. So read sentence 1, Judy.
Question number one or number two?
No, question number 1.
The puzzle?
The puzzle, yes.
I didn't do it.
Yeah, I know it sometimes can be hard for you. We are going to try to do this exercise together and help you to understand how to solve it, okay? So, would you read sentence number 1 without the answer?
Okay. I didn't. I just write the answers.
You didn't write the answers?
I, d- I write the answers, but I didn't write the question.
Okay, so I'm going to read the question and you tell me the answer, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, so follow up with me. Sentence number one. In ancient religions, there were many and gods. So, how did you complete this one?
I don't know.
Okay, so Jana, I'm going to read the sentence again and I want you to guess which word we need here, okay? So the sentence is, in ancient religions, there were many space and gods. Hmm. So what should we write in the space? Jana?
Goddesses,
Again, please.
goddesses,
Goddesses. Goddesses. So the answer is going to be goddesses. Okay, so sentence number two. Air, space, is a serious problem in many cities. So Ahmed, can you guess the word that we need here?
air pollution,
Air pollution, yeah, that's it. Okay, Judy, let's try number three. Human beings and animals space when their environment is destroyed. And the word starts with S. Judy, did you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm going to read you the sentence again. Human beings and animals space when their environment is destroyed. So what is the verb that starts with is that we can use here? Ahmed, have you got any idea?
suffer,
Suffer. The verb is suffer. So human beings and animals suffer when their environment is destroyed. Jana, number four. Did you answer this one? Jana, do you hear me? I'm going to read you the sentence and I want you to answer it. Space, people often have greater respect for the environment. Space, people have greater respect for the environment. And we need an adjective that starts with N.
Stop.
Would you repeat yourself again, please? Because I couldn't hear you.
Natural.
No, not natural. But you know, it starts with the same three letters, N-A-T, but it's not natural.
Nature.
No. Do you know the original people of a place? What do we call them? The original people who live in a place. What do we call them? We call them?
Nation.
No. Let me give you another hint. Um, the people or the American people who are or who speak English. What do we call them? When we refer to them as speakers, we call them native. The answer of number 4 is native. إيه جنى؟ Ahmed, number 5. We all need to make a space effort to protect the earth.
Can you repeat it again?
Again, we all need to make a space effort to protect the earth. This is number 5.
A cooperative.
No, not cooperative. But it starts with CO. Can you give it another try? Okay, so let me tell you, number 5 is going to be like this. We all need to make a conscious effort to protect the earth. We all need to make a conscious effort to protect the earth. Number 6, Judy, let's try this one. Every country has its own, this is number 6. Every country has its own Judy, do you hear me?
Yeah.
So, do you know the answer to this one? Jana, do you know the answer of this one? Hmm? Jana?
Can you repeat the sentences?
Okay, of course, I can repeat them. So the sentence is, every country has its own space. And the word starts with T.
Trademark.
No, not trademark. What do we call the things that all people of a country believe in? The ideas of a society or the ideas of a country. What do we call them? Traditions. Every country has its own traditions. Okay? Number 7, Ahmed. Global warming can be very space. Global warming can be very space. So this is number 7.
Dangerous.
No, not dangerous. This word is longer than dangerous. Do you know the adjective of the word destroy? Does anyone know the adjective of the word destroy?
Can you repeat the sentence?
All right, so here is the sentence again. Global warming can be very space.
Destroyer.
Destructive. Destructive is the right word, and it's an adjective. If something is destructive, it causes a lot of destruction. Number 8, Jana. The educational space should teach children the importance of nature. So number 8, and it starts with S. The educational space should teach children the importance of nature. Jana? I'm so sorry, I can't hear you. There is a problem with the internet. So try to repeat that. Okay, so Jana, I lost connection from my side. So I want you please to repeat the answer of number 8 if you know it.
Mr. Question 1 is only 6 questions, not 8.
Only 6?
Yes.
The puzzle?
Yeah.
So let me check. Yeah, you're right. Okay, so this seems like an older version here. All right,
Yeah.
so let's go to the following exercise. So number 2, Jana, would you tell me the answers of number 2? Read the sentence with the answer, please.
Number 1, global warming.
The sentence with the answer.
The weather is changing because of global warming.
Yup, okay. And number 2?
Number 2, environmental organizations are trying hard to protect nature.
Yeah, that's correct. Number 3?
People who live in big cities often suffer from smoke.
Smog. Yeah. 4?
Number 4, antiquity are often responsible for the pollution of rivers.
No, not antiquity. You know, Antiquity means ancient times. Try another word.
Factories,
Exactly. Yes, factories.
but
Okay. Mm-hmm.
here it's factory, not factories.
It's fine. You can change whatever it takes. Okay. If you need a plural word, you can just add the s or change it into the plural. It's fine.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Number five, our planet has suffered a lot of damage
Mm-hmm. Yes.
in the last 100 years.
Yeah, great. Number six.
Archaeological museums display objects that were made in antiquity.
Great. There is only one thing. The first word is pronounced archaeological. Archaeological, okay? But your answer is correct.
Okay.
Number seven.
Many biologists have described now how climate change threatens plants and animals.
Yes, many biologists have described how climate change threatens plants and animals. Eight.
Poor people are often more affected by environmental problems.
That's great. Yeah, correct. Okay. Now, Judy, did you answer exercise number three?
Okay.
So would you tell me the answers?
R,
Mhm.
any, R, R,
So again, listen. I want you to read the sentence with the answer, okay?
I didn't write the sentence.
Oh yeah, so you wrote only the answers, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So number one, what did you answer?
R,
Are? No,
R,
it's gonna be is, not are, because of the word hope. Hope is an uncountable noun. Okay,
okay.
Judy. So is there? And number two,
Any,
any? Yeah, correct. So
is,
is for
is,
again.
is,
Number four, no,
R,
no. I need two words, four and five. I need two words that can be used together. So again, number four, your first answer was
is,
okay. So what about number five?
no,
So your sentence will be there is no, right? There is no time to waste.
okay.
Yeah, if so, that's correct. So number six,
R,
again, please.
sorry,
Number six,
some,
some,
yeah.
okay. Seven,
Seven, R,
are,
R,
okay. Eight,
is,
there is, okay.
no,
No, yeah, there is no.
is,
No, not is.
R,
Are, yes. Are there
any,
any?
some,
Some, yes.
is,
Number 13, it seems that there is.
no,
No, yes.
any.
Any, yeah, that's correct. Thank you, Judy.
You,
Okay, Ahmed, this is your turn.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Number one, little.
Little, yes. Mm-hmm.
Number two,
Mm-hmm.
some.
There is no sum in this exercise. It's just few, a few, little, or a little.
Okay. So we have a few trees
A few trees, yes.
and a little grass.
A little grass. Mm-hmm. Good. Yeah. Number four,
Okay. A little room.
a little room. Yeah.
A few.
How would you like to define it? No, not a few.
Few.
Yes, just few, because looking at the question, you feel like it's not enough. Okay, so few would do here.
Okay.
Mhm. Number six,
A few.
mm, yep. Okay, a few, and seven,
Also a few. Sorry, a little.
a little. Yes. All right, Jana, this is your turn. Exercise number five.
Okay. Number one,
Mm-hmm.
a lot. No, many people.
Many people. Yeah.
B, yes, but they don't do much.
Much. That's correct.
What can they do? There is a lot to be done.
A lot to be done. Excellent.
We all need to make few changes in our lives so human beings can survive on this planet.
Wait a minute. We don't use few here for only one reason. Okay? Because few will give the sentence like the meaning of the changes will be very little or very small. Okay? So few
Okay,
will be good.
some.
Some,
Could
yes,
be some.
exactly. Mhm.
Why don't you buy these shoes? They look good on you. I don't have any money with me.
Yes, great.
I can lend you some money.
Mm-hmm.
You can give it back to me in a few days.
In a few days. Yes. Okay,
Did
great.
you watch the game last night?
Mm-hmm.
No, I didn't. I had no time.
I had no time. Yes.
Besides, I have few interests in sports.
Interest is an uncountable noun.
A little.
Just little, little. Okay? Yeah, I have little interest in sports, which means I'm not really into sports.
I have
Mm-hmm.
few other hobbies.
No, not few.
Lots of.
Lots of, yes, that's it. Okay, let's go to number 4.
I had a little time yesterday evening,
Yes.
so I called some of my old friends.
Mm-hmm.
I haven't seen any of them
Mm-hmm.
for a lot of for no for little years,
A few years.
a few years.
Yeah.
So we had many things to talk about.
Mm-hmm. Good. Number 5.
Few people
Yeah.
ever visit this village.
Mm-hmm.
There are no buses or trains to bring you here, so you can come only by car.
Mm-hmm.
It's too bad because this area has lots of beautiful places.
Great. Thank you, Jenna. Okay, so we took only those 2 pages, right? And there was something in the student book that I asked you to prepare. Right, guys?
Yeah.
Yeah, so um, let's get page 18. Okay, I'm going to share my screen now so that you can follow up with me in the new lesson. So this is the exercise that I've asked you to prepare. So here we have some solutions to environmental problems, and we have some groups of people. So first, Ahmed. Ahmed, tell me, what are the things that only people can do?
Okay, save water,
Save water.
providing information,
No, people do not provide information. You know, to
what is the
protect.
meaning of better insulation?
Okay, I'm gonna give you that. Uh, the word insulation means when you protect your house against heat. Okay, this is called insulation. When you protect your house against heat.
Okay,
Mhm.
also eco-friendly products,
Eco-friendly products. Okay, this can be done by only people or by governments too.
but also people can do it.
I know that also people can do it. I agree with you 100%. But now I want you to tell me the things that only people should do. We are not talking about the government now. Okay?
Okay, okay.
So you've told me the first one correct. Save water. There is one more solution left.
Better insulation.
That's it. Yes. So what can be done by people is to save water and better insulation. Great. Now, Jenna, it's your turn. I want you to tell me the things that can be done by only the government.
Okay, public transport,
Public transport. Okay, but this one, you know, I mean, people also can use public transport, right?
okay,
Yeah. So I need some.
providing information,
Mhm. Exactly, providing information. And this is the only one, by the way. that the government can only do it. So now, Judy, your turn. I want you to tell me the things that can be done by both government and people.
Public transport,
Public transport, yeah?
eco-friendly products.
Yes, eco-friendly products. So is there any another thing?
No.
Yeah, exactly. So regarding public transport, the government can increase and improve public transport, and people can start using public transport instead of their own cars. And about eco-friendly products, the government can provide more eco-friendly products and people can start using them. So it depends on both of them. So later we have a reading text. Okay, so each one of you is going to read a part of this text. After that, I'll give you some time to answer the questions based on them. So first, Ahmed, I want you to start reading the first part.
Okay. Take action before it's too late.
Mm-hmm.
Will humans disappear from Earth in just a few decades? As
Mm-hmm.
some scientists predict, environmental problems are getting worse day by day,
Mm-hmm.
yet it's not too late to take action.
Yeah.
Here's a list of things you can do.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Complete?
Yeah, yeah. Go on.
Okay. Save energy.
Mm-hmm.
Use eco-friendly lamps and electrical
Appliances.
appliances.
Mm-hmm.
Don't waste water.
Mm-hmm.
Don't forget to recycle.
Mm-hmm.
Choose environmentally friendly products.
Okay.
Don't use your car all the time.
Mm-hmm.
Whenever possible, walk, cycle, or use public transport.
Yes.
Insulate your house properly.
Properly, yes, which means in the right way. Very nice. Thank you, Ahmed.
Mister,
Yes,
isn't public transport اللي هي المواصلات؟
public transport are, yes, the kind of transport that are provided by the government for everyone, like buses and trains. Okay, that's called public transport.
Okay, but it also produces smoke as cars. So how that could be a solution?
Yeah, they produce smokes like cars only in Africa, Ahmed. You know, in Europe, they depend on electricity and the natural gas, so they don't produce any smoke like what happens here. Okay,
Yeah.
and as you know, this book is a British book, so we're talking about what they have, not what we have. You get me?
Mm.
Okay, guys, when the meeting ends, as usual, join the same link because it's gonna end any moment now.